So there's the Diablo Drop Off. I am not going down it today because it is washed out. It's pretty bad down at the bottom. There's no tire tracks. No one has attempted it. See how this section is, because I can get up this section usually. Oh, look at that. That'll take a little bit of cultivating. Gonna walk down there, take a look. But I kind of foresee the new path maybe coming down this, coming around. So that's the center way. Oh, looks like they've been going up that. I see it. That's I could probably do it, but not through them big ass ruts. Yep, that is a huge rut. Forget about losing a wheel. I'd lose the whole truck in there. But that's the rut. That's going up to it. Looks like that'll be the new way up and down. That's crazy. Yeah, I can probably do this. Who knows what the rest of it looks like. Yeah, I can probably do this. But the old way up, that's gonna take a while. I think if enough Jeeps go through it, they'll level it out and make it into a road again. Squash down the sharp, edges as they drop off and things, but well, I guess I'll give it a try. See if I can go down and up the new part. If I can't, I'll have to exit another route. There's another way out of here. But I'm gonna walk in this rut. Just to kind of show how deep this rut is. Got a clamp. Looks like a CV boot clamp. Yeah, it's pretty deep. I'd lose the whole truck in here. Yeah. This was the road. Yeah, so as you came up, that was the normal way. That was the harder way. And yeah. So yeah, this was the old normal way to go up. You could still do this, but this rut's gonna be an issue. Started right here, and then it all just went to hell. Well, looks like this will be the new way up and down for a while. Guess I'll take it, see how bad it is. Hopefully I can come out on the other side or get back up this. But it wouldn't be an adventure drive if I didn't try, right? Famous last word. Y'all watch this. On this section here, I don't have audio, but just wanted to at least put the dash cam up and show what it's like. The video I made here is just quick and dirty, just so you guys get an idea of what the Diablo Drop Off actually looks like now, so you don't get a crazy surprise when you get up there. All right, we did it. Down and up. It was a little rough at the end here, but it kept climbing. So it's doable.